What's up everyone? Jasmine, the Tractor Girl at Tractor Brothers in Stoneboro, PA. And take a moment and go over grease fittings. But first, let's do the 101 on what a grease fitting is, right? So, these are commonly referred to as either a grease fitting, a Zerk fitting, a grease Zerk, or my personal favorite, a grease nipple, that are designed to feed a lubricant, such as a lubricating grease, into a bearing that is under pressure.
Pressure, pushing down on me, pressing down on you, no man has fallen.
Sorry, yeah. Okay, back to grease fittings. So, my owner's manual here tells me that there are 16 grease fittings. Let's take a moment, I'll show you where those are at. So when I think about anything that is under pressure and under load, needs to be able to move freely, that is basically where you're gonna find a grease fitting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chop, chop, chop. Just kidding, because it sounded like we were dancing. You got 8 on this side, and you're gonna have 8 on the other side. So, all you need is your grease gun. If you don't have one and you don't know where to get one, I'll make sure that in the detail section, I leave a link on where you can buy one, okay? All you're gonna do is you'll see the end here, this little ball bearing on there. You're gonna stick it on the nipple and press the grease in there. And again. And pop it off. I will give you a close-up of those so you can see what that looks like. Keep in mind that the owner's manual says that those should be greased every 5 working hours. It is important to keep these parts moving so that your loader never stalls, never has any issues. So, a good reminder, greasy nipples are a happy nipple. Another way to tell where a fitting is at, if you can't directly see the Zerk fitting. So you see one of these plates, you automatically know that there is a grease fitting there somewhere. Find it. Feel around. Remember, a grease fitting is designed to feed a grease lubricant to any bearing that is under pressure. So when you think of it that way, you're gonna see one on the axle there. Same on the other side. And you're gonna find some on the 3-point hitch as well. Right there, in the back. Other side, and the back. If yours does not look the same, always look in your owner's manual. It'll tell you exactly where it's at. Thanks for hanging out with me for a quick second. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment in the section. Make sure you check out our inventory at tractorbrothers.com. Like and follow for more.